Anthony Housefather.
Merci, Madame la justice en chef, et félicitations pour votre nomination. Et aussi, merci beaucoup pour votre travail acharné pour les minorités linguistiques, l'affaire Paquette, l'affaire Maé. Je crois que votre expérience vécue comme franco-albertain serait un grand atout pour la Cour suprême. I'm going to ask you a question about a different linguistic minority that I'm part of, the English-speaking minority of Quebec. And don't worry, I'm going to mention some laws, but I'm not going to ask you to comment on the laws. My community is going through what seems to be a bit of a crisis right now in terms of feeling alienated. We've seen Quebec adopt Bill 21 using the notwithstanding clause preemptively, Bill 96 using the notwithstanding clause preemptively, and in my view violating Section 133 of the Constitution Act. Bill 40 that eliminated English language school boards that has been, that has been enjoined by the Superior Court and 3 judges of the Court of Appeals, and in Judge Lucier's judgment of the Superior Court struck down in violation of Section 23 of the Charter of Rights. I guess my question to you, you're going to be faced with a lot of cases that relate to both linguistic minorities. What is it that you know about the English-speaking community of Quebec? Do you feel that you know us well? And if not, what will you do to educate yourself about our community?
Well, interestingly, when I was a lawyer, the Alliance Quebec was an intervener in a language case in our Court of Appeal, and I acted for them. So I think there was certainly some familiarity at that time as a lawyer with the realities. But I think as a judge, I really can't talk about the comments that you've made. I really can't discuss them. I don't know what further I could add than to say that it is why we have a Supreme Court of 9 people. We have regional representation. I'm from the West. I know my area of the world fairly well, and we count on our 3 justices of the Court of the Supreme Court from Quebec to know theirs as well. And so I think that's what makes a very interesting court and allows us each to make a contribution from our perspectives, both from our personal backgrounds, as I said in my comments, and also professional.